Welcome to infyGyan friends. Today in this video we'll be solving one very interesting question from 2025 AMC. Here we have one cubic equation whose one root is 4 plus square root 5. Then it is said to find the value of a plus b given that a and b are integers. Cubic equation is x cube minus 5x square plus ax plus b equal to 0. So let's get started by considering three roots of the cubic equation. Let's say first root is alpha, second root is beta, and third root is gamma. Then using Vita's formula, we can write sum of roots equal to minus of coefficient of x square over coefficient of x cube will be equal to minus of coefficient of x square is negative 5. So we'll write here minus 5 over coefficient of x cube is 1. So minus times minus 5 plus 5. In place of sum of roots, we will be writing alpha plus beta plus gamma. Now we have alpha equal to 4 plus root 5. So alpha is 4 plus root 5. Now we know that irrational roots comes in conjugation. So beta must be equal to 4 minus square root 5. Now we will apply the value of alpha and value of beta here to find the value of gamma. So we will write 4 plus root 5 plus 4 minus root 5 plus gamma equal to 5. 4 plus root 5 plus 4 minus root 5 plus gamma equal to 5. Plus root 5 and minus root 5 will be over. 4 plus 4 is 8 plus gamma equal to 5. Now we have to subtract 8 from both the sides to get the value of third root gamma. Plus and minus 8 will be over. We will get gamma equal to 5 minus 8, which is minus 3. Now we have all the three roots known. Alpha is equal to 4 plus root 5. Beta is equal to 4 minus root 5. And gamma is minus 3. Now we have to write our cubic equation x cube minus 5x square plus ax plus b equal to 0. We can write in factor form x minus alpha times x minus beta times x minus gamma equal to 0. Now we have to plug in all the three values of alpha, beta and gamma. Let us put. We will get x minus alpha. So x minus 4 plus square root 5. X minus beta. So x minus 4 minus square root 5. Then we have x minus gamma. So we'll write x minus gamma was minus 3 equal to 0. Now we can write x minus 4 minus root 5 times x minus 4 plus square root 5 times x plus 3 equal to 0. If we will consider x minus 4 equal to m and square root 5 equal to n, then we can write here m, here we will be writing n. So m minus n times m plus n. This is our difference of two squares identity. So I can write m square minus n square. So I will write here x minus 4 whole square minus square root 5 whole square. Then we'll write x plus 3 equal to 0. We can cancel square root with the square here. So we will write x minus 4 whole square minus 5 times x plus 3 equal to 0. Now we are going to use a minus b whole square identity, which I will write here. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let's apply. So I will write here x minus 4 whole square minus 5 times x plus 3 equal to 0. Let's apply the formula. We will get x square minus 8x plus 4 square, which is 16, minus 5 times x plus 3 equal to 0. Or we can write x square minus 8x plus 16 minus 5 is 11 times x plus 3 equal to 0. Now we will multiply. So we will write x square times x, x cube, plus x square times 3, 3x square, then minus 8x times x, minus 8x square, minus 8x times 3, minus 24x, 11 times x, 11x, 11 times 3, 33, equal to 0. So we are going to write here x cube. Then we have 3x square minus 8x square, which will give us minus 5x square, minus 24x plus 11x, which will give us minus 13x. Then we have 33 equal to 0. Our equation was x cube minus 5x square plus ax plus b equal to 0. Now we have to only compare these two equations. We will write here a equal to minus 13, comparing the coefficient of x. Comparing constant from both the equations, we will get b equal to 33. Now we have to find the value of a plus b. So we will write here a plus b would be minus 13 plus 33. So we can write our final answer. A plus b will be equal to 20. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.